Welcome to another powerful episode from G8P, where we dive into the most pressing issues facing B2B marketers in manufacturing. Hi, my name is Chris Peer, and I'm the founder and CEO of G8P, a marketing consultancy focused on helping manufacturers to achieve an ROI from their marketing spend. And today's video is all about what is an ROI-driven marketing operation. I'd like to go back to about 15 years ago and tell you a short story. I was at a conference and I was listening to the keynote speaker give his address. And during this conference and during his speech, the speaker said, "Sales is the lifeblood of any company, and marketing is arts and crafts." Well, as a marketer, I was pretty upset. In fact, I was a little pissed. I was really upset that the speaker would say in front of hundreds of people that marketing was arts and crafts. And as I got home that night and I laid in bed, I started thinking about his comments. And I think what really upset me was the fact that 15 years ago, he was right. Marketing really didn't provide an ROI, or at least not that we could prove. Well, let's fast forward 15 years, and now we can. Marketing can be proven to drive an ROI. We can track every marketing effort. We can look at what works, what didn't work. We can see when customers engage with your brand or the marketing messages. And we can tie it all back to customer sales and the return on investment that your marketing provides. The challenge is these methodologies are not taught in colleges. At least they weren't 5-10 years ago. And many colleges still aren't. So as marketers graduate, and they enter the workforce, you're stuck with old school methodologies that are mired in tactical marketing. And that's why you're not getting an ROI from your marketing. So what is a marketing ROI driven operation? It's really 4 key things. Number 1 is you attain a measurable return on your marketing spend. Kind of goes without saying. Number 2 is you're no longer implementing whack-a-mole style marketing. That's where you're going from tactic to tactic. And when it doesn't work, you end up just doing more and more, hoping it will work. That's a great way to lose a lot of time and a lot of money. An ROI-driven marketing operation is one where you're no longer operating in confusion, where you are operating actually in a world of clarity and transparency, where leadership knows exactly what marketing is doing and why you're doing it. And then 4 is where marketing and sales teams are aligned. Today, I like to think of marketing really as pre-sales. If marketing is doing their job, they're making salespeople's lives easier. They're teeing up conversations, they're teeing up leads, and they're able to prove that their effort is resulting in new business revenue. So that's everything around what an ROI-driven marketing operation is. I hope you like this video. If you'd like to watch more videos and learn more about the Grade 8 pillars and how we help to improve your return on investment in marketing, check out our website at g8p.co or subscribe to this channel and watch more of our videos. Thanks.